Welcome to Easy English Conversations, where you can listen, practice, and feel more confident speaking English. Hi, Dan. How are you doing today?
Hi, Nikki. I'm doing great, thank you. It's good to be here. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I was just thinking about something before we started talking.
Oh, yeah? What were you thinking about?
Well, it's about conversations. You know, when you are talking with someone and the conversation is going well, and then suddenly it stops
Mm-hmm.
and there is silence.
Ah, yes, the awkward silence. I know what you mean.
Exactly. The awkward silence. It can feel a little uncomfortable, can't it?
It really can. Sometimes my mind just goes completely blank. I can't think of anything to say.
Me too. You start thinking, oh no, what do I say now? I need to say something.
Right. And the longer the silence goes, the more pressure you feel.
Why do you think that happens? Why does silence feel so awkward sometimes?
That is a good question. I think maybe we feel like we have to keep the conversation going, like it's our job to entertain the other person.
That makes sense. So if there's silence, we feel like we are failing at our job.
Exactly. But a conversation is for two people. It's not just one person's responsibility.
That's true. And it especially happens when you are meeting someone new.
Oh, definitely. When you don't know the person very well, those silences can feel very long.
Yes, with a close friend, a silence can be comfortable. You don't always need to be talking.
That's a great point. With a good friend, you can just sit together in silence and it feels nice. It feels relaxed.
So, what do you usually do when you're in a conversation and that awkward silence happens?
I guess I try to think of a new question to ask the person. Something simple.
Like, what kind of question?
Maybe about their weekend, or a movie they saw, or their hobbies. Something easy to talk about.
That's a good idea. Asking questions shows you are interested in the other person.
Yeah, and sometimes I just wait. I wait for the other person to say something.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes it's good to just pause.
See? Like that. That was a little silence.
It was, and for a moment I felt that feeling. What should I say?
Me too. But it was okay. It wasn't so bad, was it?
No, it wasn't. It's okay. That happens sometimes. It's totally normal.
It is normal. I think it's important to remember that. Everyone experiences this. You are not alone.
That's really reassuring. So it's not a big problem. It's just a normal part of talking to people.
Right. It's just a quiet moment. Maybe you're both thinking.
A moment to think. I like that. Instead of an awkward silence, it's a thinking moment.
Exactly. A thinking moment. That sounds much better.
So another thing you can do is just smile. A friendly smile can make the silence feel much more comfortable.
That's so true. A simple smile is very powerful. It shows the other person that everything is okay. You are relaxed.
Yes, and it helps you relax too. If you smile, you feel calmer.
So, let's review. When there is a silence, what can we do?
Okay, first we can remember that it is normal. It's okay to be quiet for a moment.
Right. It's just a thinking moment.
Yes. Second, we can ask a simple question to start the conversation again.
A simple question about something easy to talk about.
And third, we can just offer a warm, friendly smile.
Perfect. Those are great, simple things to remember.
This conversation makes me feel much better about awkward silences.
Me too. The most important thing is not to worry about it too much.
Right. Just relax and be yourself. A conversation is about connecting with a person, not about talking all the time.
Well said, Nikki. It's about connecting, and sometimes connection happens in the quiet moments.
Thank you for this talk, Dan. It was really helpful and reassuring.
You're welcome. It was a great conversation.
All right, now it's time for some shadowing practice. It's an opportunity to repeat what you hear. I will say a sentence, and you can repeat the sentence along with Dan. Ready? Sometimes conversations have quiet moments.
Sometimes conversations have quiet moments.
It's okay to have a moment of silence.
It's okay to have a moment of silence.
I don't know what to say next.
I don't know what to say next.
That happens sometimes.
That happens sometimes.
It is normal to feel this way.
It is normal to feel this way.
A friendly smile can help a lot.
A friendly smile can help a lot.
It's just a thinking moment.
It's just a thinking moment.
It's nice talking with you.
It's nice talking with you.
Wow, everyone, well done, and thank you for joining our short and much-needed conversation today. Make sure to leave a comment for what you'd like us to talk about in another episode.
Yes, thank you for listening, and we hope to see you on the next episode of Easy English Conversations. Bye for now.
See you soon.